Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back at Disney today. You can see right there. I'm about to make a U-turn and go inside. Today I'm just gonna hang out at the Grand California Hotel in the nice air conditioning because it's like 80 degrees. And yeah, I don't want to be like walking around and all that drama, but today I need to take a training for Uber Eats on my phone. So instead of being bored at home and doing it, I'm gonna come do it at the hotel. So I am gonna park here and check in to Disneyland at some point too. I do want to try a salad from California Adventure. So hopefully I get to do that. But yeah, usually I'll get like a little coffee from the Starbucks at downtown Disney. And then actually I think there's coffee place in the hotel too by Craftsman. But anyways, let's go check out the hotel. Alright guys, I made it to downtown Disney and I ordered a London Fog with like a vanilla foam and cinnamon. I don't know if I'm going to like it, but I hope so. And so I'm just waiting for my order and then I will take it to the hotel. I have made it to the beautiful Grand California Hotel. You can get here through downtown Disney. And the London Fog turned out to be so amazingly delicious. Oh my goodness. I did customize it. I did almond milk, cinnamon, and a vanilla foam. And I think that was all the alterations that I made. Substitutions. But I'm going to eat the ham and cheese croissant and then probably go get something for lunch inside the parks, like the salad that I mentioned. But yeah, such a cozy little spot to hang out here. Look at this cozy little spot I have found here outside. There's another fireplace. Very cute if you need to just chill and hang out. And you know I have to always show you guys the lamps. Alright guys, I'm now at Smoke Jumper's Grill. I need a coffee. And I love the breakfast cold brew here. I've posted it on my Instagram before. It is delicious. Has little chocolate Rice Krispies on top and like a foam. So I just ordered it, but there is a bit of a wait, and hopefully I will get it soon. Alright guys, the chicken Caesar salad was so good. All of the ingredients were fresh and amazing. There was corn, tomatoes, red onions, tortilla strips. Everything went well together, and it was very like summery and cool and light. It's a huge salad. I did eat all of it, but you could share it with a side of something else if you'd like. And yeah, I really enjoyed it, and the band was playing and it made it so much better. The vibe was so cool. They were funny and interactive with the crowd, and they actually sang so good. And I'm saying that because sometimes, bands are just bands. No, they were really good. I really enjoyed them. They were playing Amy Winehouse, Boys to Men, just very cool, sitting there and enjoying your food while listening to the band. I screenshotted the times that they're going to be there, and I will definitely be coming back and enjoying my time there. Again, they were so fun. Alright guys, this is my coffee. It is so delicious. It's got like a marshmallow foam on top with the chocolate Krispies. Every time I get it, it's great. This is like the third time I got this one from Smoke Jumper's Grill. Also, if you ask them for a cup of ice water, they always have a cup of ice water ready for you. So I love that about this place. Most of the places actually, food places, will have a cup of ice water for you. So anyways, let's try it. It's not too sweet. I like my coffee bitter, so I love that. It has that like bitter aftertaste. So it's absolutely delicious again today. And it's kind of a fun coffee, that's why I like it. The foam and the cereal on top, it just makes it fun. Alright, the chicken pot pie, so delicious. It has little flakes on top and this creamy sauce, some carrots and peas and chicken. I did add black pepper and tapatio to it because the sauce is really delicious on top, but once you eat all the sauce, like underneath just the potato flavor is just kind of bland. So if you just eat the sauce, it's good. But yeah, it's a cute little snack. I don't know that I would like crave it or go back for it necessarily, but it was not bad.
You guys survived? Up the right one is not to look in the eyes. I looked in the eyes.
You ready to go to California Adventure?
Okay guys, that Dole Whip was amazing. I tried to mobile order it, but it's not, I guess the specialty items are not on the mobile order, so I had to wait in line. I know you guys don't like lines, especially locals and pass holders. We don't do lines, but you are gonna have to wait, which which wasn't that long of a line. But yeah, that's the only way to get the specialty items, like the matcha one, and then the pineapple upside down cake one, which is the one I just had, and it was delicious. I was scared to get it because I don't like really sweet stuff, and I thought it's going to be super sweet, but it is sweet, but it's just delicious. It really does taste like pineapple upside down cake. Alright, you guys, I'm going to end the video here. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for coming along with me today. I had a great time. This video is going to be a quick little fun one. I know the last one was longer, but I love doing all different kinds of videos. So thanks for coming along with me. Thanks for commenting and sharing my videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.